guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I share about our family's debt-free journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt, and also some frugal living tips, meal planning, and organization. And today I'm going to share with you a very small pantry organization video. It's not the most functional. It has a very deep back and it's not very wide, and so it's hard to get to the things in the back. I'm gonna try to repurpose storage items that I have around the house and also grab some things from the Dollar Tree and a few things that I ordered on Amazon. We're gonna try to make this pantry somewhat functional and hopefully way more organized and more appealing to the eye. So the first thing when you're starting any organization project, you're going to want to take everything out of the space so you can see what you're working with, if you have duplicates, if there's expired items, and that's what I'm doing here, just getting everything out so I can see exactly what we have. Get in my way now, don't be shy, we'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy, cause I got the system of favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third. And up here I actually found an organizing container that I did not know was hiding up there. Now that everything is out, we're gonna scrub it down. There's little fingerprints everywhere from the kids, sticky hands, and crumbs and everything in the pantry, so we're giving it a good scrub down. If you're like me and always buying storage containers, check and see what you already have. These are from Costco. This is a basket from the Dollar Tree, super simple little storage basket. I believe I got these from Target a little while back, a little more expensive, but really great baskets. These, I can't remember where these are from. I think maybe Costco, but they're good for storing cereal and flour, other baking goods. Try and repurpose storage items that you already have around the house, because that will obviously help you save a lot of money. And then once you get everything kind of situated and organized, then you can hit up the Dollar Tree or Amazon. Also, when you have a lot of similar items in such a small space, you want to try to combine as much as you can. Once you're more organized, it'll be easier to prevent yourself from buying duplicate items, which is going to help you save a lot of money. These bins are from Target, and I got them a while ago to store lunch boxes and water bottles above our sink, but I think they'll make good drawers here at the bottom of the pantry. And a lot of people wonder why bother with transferring things from their original packaging into pretty clear packaging like this, but it actually does help because you can see what you have when you're about to run out of things. And it just makes it easier and quicker when you're making your grocery list. And it does look better, and for some reason that just makes me feel a lot more organized and functional. I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. So of course, no pantry makeover is complete without cute labels for your containers. So I had to bust out my Cricut Joy, which is like a miniature version of the Cricut, which is great if you have a small space. We don't have like a craft room or anything, so everything needs to be compact in our house. Better, you can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You want me call me on the weekends when you're out. Also, I am not a Cricut or vinyl expert. I am a super beginner. It's really easy to use. I was surprised how easy it was to get started with, and if you want to check it out, I'll link this one below. Also, I had this vinyl and I thought it was all like a light pink color, but it's all different colors, so I ended up using the light pink and then the kind of teal color that actually matched. some of the organizing bins in my pantry, so it worked out. I ended up having enough to do the pink and the teal.
Like, he can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting.
I probably would have made some of these labels slightly larger or just a different size or something, but honestly I didn't really know how to get that advanced on my Cricut machine, but I think it still turned out pretty cute. I was happy, and I can't wait for you to see at the end when everything's put back together. It looks so cute.
Do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. Love me better than you do.
These are containers that I got from Dollar Tree, so they're just $1 each, or $1.25, I guess, since they raised the prices, but I'm not gonna label these because I'm just using these for random snacks. So I know they'll be different every time, just depending on what snacks are on sale for the kids. Like, we usually get cereal to snack on, or goldfish crackers, chips, something like that. So I'm just gonna leave them blank, and we'll just know that these are snack containers for the kids.
Looks like you can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
I got these rotating storage containers on Amazon. I grabbed 2 of them because at the very top of the pantry there are these like really short shelves. So I thought it'd be perfect for organizing spices, oil, and other condiments that are always getting lost at the very top of our pantry.
You can.
In this basket, I'm putting it at eye level in the pantry. I just want it to have things that we need to cook that week's dinner or make lunches, and just things that we need really readily available, and I want to see what we have so I don't buy duplicate items.
Shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Overall, this pantry makeover turned out way better than I imagined. I am so happy now when I open it up and everything is visible or easily accessible. I hope this gave you some ideas if you're struggling with a tiny pantry like me. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one.